I am about to show you our step-by-step process for installing a white vinyl fence like the one behind me. Check out this crazy before and after video. Here we have an old wood fence. It's falling down. It does not look good. This yard desperately needs a makeover, and the customer here decided to go with a new white vinyl PVC fence across the whole back line of the yard. So first, we're gonna get this old wood out of here, and then I'm gonna take you through our process of installing white vinyl. To take down the old fence, we're just going to unscrew the sections. Then we have to dig around each post, break that concrete, and pull the pipe out. Keep in mind throughout the video that all of the material you see is available for purchase and delivery nationwide. We also offer our installation services. Just text me at the number here. It's 516-582-2816. Now let's get into the video. Now all the wood is taken down, so we're going to begin the vinyl fence installation. First, you want to install an end post. So in this case, the neighbor has an existing fence over here. We are installing our new fence right next to it, so Freddie is setting the end post directly next to the neighbor's existing post. Then you are going to set your string line. The string line just ensures that the fence is put up straight. This is really important, especially if you are installing close to a property line and you want to get it exact on the line or close to the line. Now Freddie has the end post in position. He tamped it level with some dirt. Now we're going to mix some cement and surround that post. So to mix the concrete, Jose just empties the bags of cement into the wheelbarrow. We typically mix 2 at a time, add some water, and now he's just going to use a shovel. After you add cement to the post, you're going to cover that cement with dirt. You don't want to fill cement all the way up to the top of the hole, because then the customer won't be able to plant grass. When he does decide to plant grass after the fence is installed, you want that grass to grow flush all around the post. Now we're going to begin with our first section. These PVC fence sections measure 8 feet center to center and 91 inches between posts. So from our end post, we're going to measure over 91 inches and then dig a hole. The posts we use are 5-inch by 5-inch by 9-foot posts. So we want to go 3 feet into the ground. That way 6 feet is sticking up past the ground. This is going to be a 6-foot high fence. When digging your hole, it's super helpful to work in pairs. As you'll see here, Freddie is using the digger and Jose comes in with the bar. The job of the person with the bar is to shape the hole. You want to hit the hole on the edges at the bottom, so that way you dig your hole straight down. So the bar shapes the hole and also loosens up the dirt. Then the guy with the digger comes in, scoops out all that loose dirt, and tries to go a little bit deeper. But when that dirt becomes too compact, he simply steps out and the guy with the bar steps in. Freddie has a line post. This is the first line post of the job. Now we are going to begin to assemble the section, and if we go through this pretty fast, don't worry, because we're going to show it multiple times as we move through the fence line. We're going to start by inserting the bottom rail into both posts. Then Jose is going to put in the top rail. He is then going to place a screw into the top rail right next to the post, so that way the top rail cannot come out. Very good. Then he is going to put a side channel on the end board. Then he is going to put that board into the section, and then he is going to follow with the rest of the boards. When he gets to the end, he's going to remove that top rail just so we can get those last few pickets in. He's going to put a side channel on the last one, then close up the section, and then he's going to put a screw into the line post, so that way that top rail is locked in. Now that the section is assembled, we are going to set that line post. First, you want to hold that post plumb and add some dirt around the base of the hole. Then you're going to tamp that dirt down nice and compact so that way the post is held stationary in a plumb position. Then you're going to add concrete around the post. That is going to permanently set it into position. Then, once you're done with the concrete, you're going to finish filling the hole with a little bit of dirt on the top. Alright, now we're going to move on to the next section. Freddie just put the line post in the hole they dug. Now they begin with the bottom rail. Now they are going to put in the top rail, and Jose is going to go to the previous post and put a screw in that top rail. Now he is going to put a side channel on the first board and the last board. And look how smooth he was there. Now he is going to put all the boards inside the section. Now it's time to secure that post. They are first going to do dirt. They're going to tamp that dirt nice and compact, get that post plumb. Now Jose is mixing up the concrete, getting ready to hold that post nice and secure in position. Now he's putting the concrete into the hole, and now Freddie's gonna finish it off with a little bit of dirt on the top. And now the process repeats as we move our way down the fence line. As you continue down the fence line, it's important to note the gap you want underneath the fence. Some customers may want the fence touching the ground, while others may want a small gap underneath. Either way, it's important to keep the fence level or to follow the grade of the property. Check out this crazy before and after video.